Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kraken while preparing year-end tax statements, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing from Kraken, first, log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding tab located on the top menu. Select Withdraw to view your withdrawal options. Choose the asset you wish to withdraw, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the asset to access the withdrawal information. If you have not done so, you will need to add a withdrawal address. Click on Add a withdrawal address. Enter the required information, including the wallet address and a label for your reference. After entering the address, click on Add Address to save it. Next, return to the withdrawal page and select the newly added address from the drop-down menu. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that you review any withdrawal fees associated with the transaction. Once confirmed, click on Review Withdrawal to double-check your details. If everything looks correct, click on Confirm Withdrawal. You may be required to complete two-factor authentication for security purposes. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. It may take some time for the transaction to be completed, depending on network conditions. Check your email for any notifications regarding the status of your withdrawal. Make sure to keep track of your withdrawals for your year-end tax statements. To prepare for tax reporting, document the date, amount, and type of asset withdrawn. Also, record the transaction ID for your records. This information will help you accurately report your cryptocurrency earnings and losses. It's advisable to consult a tax professional regarding your cryptocurrency transactions. Keeping thorough documentation will simplify your tax preparation process. Now, you are ready to withdraw from Kraken while staying organized for tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.